Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Cheyenne floor plan, part of the Manor line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Cheyenne here is over 3,200 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. You get a flex room. You also get a bonus room up top. Let's take a look here. So as we come inside the Cheyenne, that flex room I just mentioned right up here towards the front. So nice area for an additional den space for the kids, an additional TV room. Right off of that, you have the half bath downstairs. It is a 3.5 bath home. So you have your master bath and 2 guest bedrooms upstairs as well. And then right past this, it opens up into your kitchen and great room area. So really nice open space here with your kitchen overlooking your great room. Right over here, you have this huge walk-in style pantry. So really nice storage space here. And again, this overlooks your great room here. Now, right off to the left of the staircase here, this is where you're gonna find the entry to your garage, which is right there, 3-car garage. But you also have this nice storage space right here underneath your stairwell. And then right past the stairs here, you have your entry to the exterior lanai space. You've got your laundry room right here. So really nice size here, plenty of room for additional cabinetry and storage. And then backing out and just off the laundry here, this is your master bedroom. So really nice size master bedroom. It is on the first floor, which is nice as well. You've got your dual sinks, your seated vanity spot there. Standalone shower right here. You've got your private enclosed water closet, linen closet right here, and then this huge master closet here. All right, so that's it for the downstairs. Now let's run upstairs and take a look at the rest of the home here. So upstairs, as soon as we get to the top of the stairwell here, that's where your bonus room is gonna be. So coming upstairs here, you've got this huge space here that you can utilize at the top of the stairs. And then outside of this space, you have your guest bedrooms. So here's one guest bedroom here. Notice a bathroom right there in the corner. We're gonna get to that here in a sec. You've got guest bedroom number 2 right here. And then notice that bathroom I was just pointing out, it connects in a Jack and Jill style type of scenario here. You've got the double sinks and you've got your combination tub and shower here in the bathroom. Now right across from the first guest bedroom and second guest bedroom are the other 2 here. So here's guest bedroom number 3. And then you also have another bath here with the dual sinks and the combination tub and shower there. And last but not least, you have guest bedroom number 4 there. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.